Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first vlog of 2024. You might have noticed it's been quite a bit since I posted a vlog in a while, and that's because with the holidays of celebrating my birthday, traveling to see family, I've just been spending a lot of time reflecting on 2023 and also just what my goals are for 2024. A few things I've realized are that I need to prioritize my self-care and slow down, take my time, romanticize my life, and enjoy being outside more. Since I work a pretty busy 9 to 5 and adding content, I realize how quickly I can burn out, especially someone like myself who operates more when I'm resting in my feminine energy. I've been feeling pretty burnt out. So I decided to make a few changes, and I hope this motivates you as well. And with everything, balance is always key. So you guys know I love a 5 a.m. morning routine, but I kind of decided to change that up a little bit. My 5 a.m.s usually consist of me being productive, working out, and trying to get as many things as I can before starting my 9 to 5. And I realized it's just too much on myself. So I decided to change my 5 a.m.s to be more of a slow living, enjoying my morning, spending time with myself, my thoughts, reading my Bible, journaling, enjoying fresh air with some coffee, and just having a really good mindful skincare routine, giving myself some self-love and some self-care, because I realized that before I start pouring into other people, I need to pour into myself. Along with prioritizing myself in the morning, I've come to realize that I have to take a morning shower every day. Usually I take an evening shower, but I realized having a morning shower just wakes me up, and something about it just makes me feel really refreshed and renewed to start the day. So I decided to go back to having morning and evening showers, and sometimes just giving myself a little bit more extra exfoliation to cleanse my skin. And also I'm working with trying to lighten up some strawberry legs. For skincare, I've been using some new products from a brand called Mary and May. They're a Korean skincare, and so far I would say my favorite product is the moisturizer because of the gel-like consistency. I love a moisturizer that's super lightweight but also hydrating, because I have oily skin and I don't want to put anything too heavy on my skin. So I've been really loving using that. And I've also been using my eye patches again, because I realize I wake up with puffy eyes pretty much every day. So using these eye patches kind of helps. And it just feels good just to have that on and just enjoy that nice spa-like feeling in the morning. For my body, I love using the Osea Andaria body butter. It's super rich and thick and creamy, especially in these winter months. It just helps keep my skin so moisturized and ready to go for the day. Good morning, beauties. Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw in the intro, I mentioned I was taking a little bit of a break, just reflecting on the year 2023 and also 2024, and just some goals that I had. And you guys know I love waking up early at like a 5 a.m. morning routine, because I just like spending that extra time with myself in the morning before I start work. So I've been trying to really maintain that goal. And one thing that's been helping me is just making sure I get a really good night's sleep, unwinding at night. I have a whole unwinding routine with my alarm clock, having some tea, reading a book, and just getting cozy in my sheets. And I have been loving my new sheets from Brooklinen. I have a hardcore bundle in cream because I wanted something a little different. I'm always getting white, but I wanted to try something a little bit different because Brooklinen did release some new colors, and I kind of have this cream neutral theme going on in here. I chose to get this one because these sheets kind of have this satin finish. My old sheets were, I think, were linen or they were cotton, but I just really love how smooth and like comfortable these feel. I had one of the best night's sleep last night sleeping on these because it's just so comfortable and buttery soft and smooth, and I just feel like I have a really good night's sleep using these. Brooklinen does have over 20 plus different colors and variations. I think I'm gonna get some white ones just to kind of mix it up in here a little bit so it's not too much cream, but you have several different colors to choose from on their website, and you can also have different styles as well. I got the hardcore bundle. It's kind of like the satin smooth finish, but you can get some other materials if you want something a little different. I actually think I prefer these a little bit more. I chose Brooklinen sheets because I've been doing a lot of research and I saw that they had over 100,000 of +5 reviews, and I just like the way that they look and feel as well because I still want them to look a little bit nice and stylish, and we spend so much more of our time sleeping. We spend about 33% of our time. If you think about it, 8 hours a day sleeping, there's 24 hours in a day. We're spending a third in our sheets. So you want to have real comfortable sheets that you can sleep in, be comfortable in, because without a good night's sleep, you're not going to have a good day. I just know from experience, if I don't have a good night's sleep, it's not going to be a good day. But I've been having a good night's sleep with my Brooklinen sheets. And also, if you're looking to get a complete set, I highly recommend getting the bundle because you'll get duvet covers, you'll get some pillow covers, you'll get a flat sheet and a fitted sheet. So you'll get an entire set, and it's about 25% cheaper than buying each thing individually. So highly recommend getting a bundle set for your bedding. One thing I noticed that's different with sleeping with these sheets is that I sometimes sweat at night when I am sleeping, and I've noticed that I don't sweat as much when I use these. I don't know if it has like a cooling effect or if it's just the sateen material because it is tightly woven. I feel like I have not been sweating as much and I've been sleeping much more comfortably with these sheets. They just have a more luxurious feeling. I believe these are 480 thread count, so they just feel a little bit more luxurious, a little bit more lush. So right now Brooklinen is having their President's Sale. It's up until February 20th. You get 20% off your items, and if you do get the hardcore bundle, you'll save about 35% off. And if you happen to miss the President's Sale and you're watching this video later on, be sure to use my code. It'll be in the description box. You'll save an additional $20 off $100 or more of your purchase. So thank you, Brooklinen, for sponsoring this video. Let's get back with our 5 a.m. morning routine. So I've already kind of like done a little bit of my skincare and self-care. Now we're gonna kind of clean around a little bit, do some journaling, relaxing, and just enjoying a really slow self-care 5 a.m. morning routine. A few other things I've been doing to just really kind of slow down on my morning routines is to clean up my space, get some natural light in there, put all of the dishes away because I just have to have a clean space when I'm home, working from home. And I don't like leaving the kitchen a mess because, I don't know, I feel like having a cluttered space just creates a cluttered mind. And so I usually put all the dishes away last night before I was doing a lot of cooking. That's why it's so full this morning.